have some games
Yep.
played now, but I've just found out that some groups are not on seats and they are leading. So it would be it would be unfair to take them out of the equation while the others have advantage to it. Not be fair. So I will wait for them. What? Well, let's give them the grace of a few minutes. Why you guys beefing them? Just calm down. So what we're going to do, I'm going to call on our host, OJ, to just tell us what we're going to be expecting today. I tried, but he had to correct me. So we'll give a proper introduction of what we are expecting today and in terms of building the agent or building the product, sorry, and we'll take it off from there. So let's put our hands together for Mr. OJ.
Hello, everyone. How are we doing? Huh? You good? I'm not getting that doesn't sound like people that are good. Peter, how are you doing? Mouth. Use the words of your mouth. You know when someone does like this outside, it means help me. Like when they ask you, like, is that your mom? And that's not your mom. That probably is a kidnapper. That's help me. All right. It's good to see everyone here for day 2. And let me put it like this. Me and Jalal have been having discussions since yesterday, and our conclusion is today is the most important day of all the days. Tomorrow is just pitching. You've built a product, you've built something, then you're actually displaying what you have built. Yesterday was a baseline to get you to understand and get your feet wet into what you are going to be doing. So, but today is the main. So anybody that is missing today, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what you're doing with your life at this point. I don't know if you want to make it. So, yes, because it's that important. So each and every one of you that is here today, I would say welcome, and you're lucky to be here. That's the first lock that you have on your part. Lock 2. How many people went over what they did yesterday? Raise your hand. If you got back home and you checked, okay, what I learned today? You went over your books, or you went over the video. Anybody? Oh, just John. Anybody went through you went through what we did yesterday? Anyone? Anyone? You checked YouTube, you watched the video. Oh, that's good. That's good. Now, that makes you luckier than people that just came yesterday and they didn't go through what they went through. Now, the luckiest person, the luckiest people, anybody went through the team workbook that Jalal shared yesterday? Wow. Okay. I'm beginning to see some teams that are going to be, lucky. So that's very important because the workbook already gives you an understanding of what we are going to do today. So, that's actually very impressive. And if you didn't, anyway, I'll leave you to Jalal. All right, so what we are going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a couple of things. And everything needs, I would like to put it, 100% attention. There are very key details today that are going to be shared. And if you are able to go through today and understand, you'll get a baseline of what it means to not just think about something, but how to think about it and bring it to life. So because majority of the time, people have wonderful ideas. I'm very sure you've probably come up with one idea that you feel like you're the only one that has that idea. Like you're the only one that knows it. Like you thought about something like, oh, I don't think anyone has ever thought about this. That's groundbreaking idea. You've never had that. Where you thought about something and you thought, okay, this is a grand idea. This would be like a very successful something. Why are you people deceiving? Come on. You think about money now, so there's no way you don't think about idea. Why are you people doing like this? I don't like this. So yes, even me too, I've had one before. So I know that we have all had it. But majority of the time, the break in the bridge itself is having to bring that idea to light. And that's one of the things I want to teach you today. how to think about something. And a very good example was what we did yesterday. You think about a business, and then you don't know how to go about it. Okay, I actually like matcha. Okay, I don't like matcha. But I'm using matcha as an example. Actually, I like matcha. Victor, we not open, we're not live yet. Okay, we're live. Jesus. Okay, so you like matcha, for example, and then you just think, okay, this will actually be a good business because probably you know a few people too more than you or after you that like matcha. And you think, okay, this will be a good business around this community. How do you go about it? Who do you contact? So usually, in the traditional world, there's what we call, architects like Chewy. We have lawyers, we have accountants, we have strategists, business analysts that help you cater for these things. You go to them for consultation, in quotes. Most likely you pay for it because, they paid to get that knowledge. So, and you have to go through this process before you are able to bring that idea to light. But what you have now at your disposal is the fact that you can sit down in your room, talk to artificial intelligence, talk to the tool. This is the business. This is the community I want to start it. How do I go about it? And it doesn't just advise you, but it gives you up-to-date information because it does research, which is what Jalal was emphasizing on. And why your prompting is very important. Why how you prompt it is very important because it's supposed to do research for you and gets you analysis, data. Okay, you actually want to do a business concerning matcha. Okay, who is already selling matcha? Who are your competitors? How successful is matcha? What are the numbers that matcha is actually doing? Right there in that location that you want to set up a business. Or they don't like matcha at all and they like cappuccino. So this is how you find out. And then from there, it takes you on a step-by-step process on how to build and eventually builds it. And if you still need more than that, because the product is, how will I put it, step one. There's still many steps after that. You still have an advisor. So I like to think of artificial intelligence as anything you want it to be. You have a business, you need a marketing strategist. You want to start shooting content, you need a creative director. You want to get your finance into order, you need an accountant. You've been saying you will go to the gym for the past 1 year, and you need someone that will advise you on how you actually start your gym journey. You can easily just use AI. So it's to show you the benefits and the possibilities that abound. So, and as I said, you've done 50% yesterday, which is having to understand how to actually prompt, what you need to do to actually prompt so you can get the best results. Today, what you're going to be learning is how to build your product. So, but first, some teams are behind according to my leaderboard. Where's my leaderboard? Where's my phone? Okay. According to my leaderboard, I know there are some teams that are behind. Some teams don't like it. Some teams even had the guts to be asking us for our marking scheme. But, we leave that. But, we're trying to give other teams an opportunity to catch up, if they can catch up, and give them a chance. So we're playing some games, and then from there, we'll see who gets to have the last laugh. Victor, why are you staring at me like that? Don't stare at me like that. So, and then we'll get into the nitty-gritty of what it means to be an agent in this age. So, Victor. Don't worry, you're covered. The thing that is there is the media itself. But don't check the media out. All right. Bye. All right, before we do that, I need something from you quickly, Victor. Let me put the barcode up now. Yes. Okay. Okay. Are we ready? All right. So I think there's one person in each team now. So the number one thing, please everyone look at your screen at the back. If you have not joined the WhatsApp community, please I need you to join now because that's where everything is happening. After here now, after we finish here, that's where we're going to be deliberating and strategizing and dragging each other if Victor needs dragging. Say that where you should scan. Why are you not scanning? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Huh? It's going to where? Really? Yeah. Oh, it redirects you? Yeah, I think so. All right. So I need to make sure before we start that you are all in your teams. Is that your team? You're in team C? John. You're in team C? E? Huh? Oh. All right. So once you get into the community, you get to the WhatsApp community. Another thing that you see is that you follow our other social media platforms. We're on YouTube, we're on Twitter, on Instagram. Where else are we? Oh yeah, and you can check. Oh, LinkedIn, yes, and then you can check out the website. Very nice website. All right. So is everyone in their teams? Can we confirm that everyone is in their team? Nobody's talking to me. Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Team C. I need to hear highs. Like, let me start again. Team A, are you here? Thank you. Team B, are you here? You're in Team B? Also in Team B. Okay. Team C, are you here? Yes. Anyway, let me keep my bias. Team D, are you here? No laptop. Oh, they can use yours here. Yeah, but you don't need a laptop right now. Don't worry. I'm not going to the laptop part, but you're gonna very soon. Team E, are you here? Woo! The winning team. I struck enough in somebody's body there. Don't worry, the winning team has not been decided yet. All right. So, Ramon, I'm going to quickly explain the game that we're going to be playing now. And this is already question 1. So you can look at it very well, Timmy. That's your question. It is called Spot the Gauntlet. Yeah, it's something similar to what you did yesterday, but now we're using videos where there is an human-generated media and there's an AI-generated media. And you're supposed to spot the difference. Which one is human and which one is AI-generated? Yeah, no. It's for everyone. This is just for them. Yeah, it's just for them. It's just for them. So for every question that you get right, we're going one by one. I think one by one to each team. For every question you get right, get 1 point. Team E is already 5 points ahead. So if you can get more points, probably you can, meet up with them. Okay. So let me start the video from the beginning. Yes. This particular video is for them only. Yes. Only. All right. So, A or B, or right or left? Yeah. What is AI? Which one is AI generated? That's one you're supposed to pick. You have 30 seconds, deliberate, talk. You need to talk. Do you have your answer now? You have your answer. It's like I said, it's a team thing. So you have to make sure that you're all in support. Not you come later and said, oh, person A said it was A. I said it was B. We're not doing that here. Do you have your answer? Which one? A, the one on the right or the left? The one on the left. Okay. Well, Team A, you're wrong. It's the one on the right. Well, okay. Yeah, it is. It is the one on the right. Yes, the one on the right is AI. I'm thanking God that this video doesn't have sound because the sound will have explained why it's AI generated. So, well, yes, I guess keep that to myself. Okay? Team B, get ready. Are you ready? Yeah, I came prepared for you guys. So, you need to go back. You want to see it again? Okay. Don't worry. I'm a very nice host. Oh. No, don't do that. Yes. All right. You have 30 seconds. You need to talk to each other. Oh, please, somebody should come out. Don't leave freshers here by yourself. So you'll be thinking by yourself. So yesterday was too easy. You guys had a sweet ride yesterday. So yeah, which one is? Have your answer? Or the one on the right? The one on the left is AI generated. You're wrong. It's the one on the right. All right, Team C, are you ready? I told you I'm ready for you guys. Are you ready, Team C? You're ready. You are ready. You ready for me? Okay. Let's roll. No problem. Playing again. Okay. One more time. All right. You have your answer. You have 30 seconds. You think about it, discuss. No, you can't see it from here, I'm sorry. It has to be from the screen. I'm waiting for you, Tim C. Time is going. Okay? A, the one on the left. Okay, yes. The one on the left is AI. You're right. Oh, so Team C has 1 point. Congratulations. All right. Team D, are you ready? Are you ready? You're ready for me? All right, let's go. Okay. Oh, you have another participant from D. So. Huh? I should play for more time. Huh? Okay. Rolling. All right. So I should do one more time. After this one, I'm not doing it again. The one on the right is AI generated. The one on the right. This one here. You're wrong. Team E. You need to. Like I said, I came prepared for you guys today. My points are not just going to go. You just thought, oh, it was 1 point. It's so easy. It's a lie. Huh? No. There are 5 points ahead. 1 point. You have 1 point. So, Team E, are you ready? Okay. Team E is only one person. I feel bad for you. You need people. Yeah? Yeah, one man mopo. Oh, someone is coming. Okay. All right. No, this is not yours. It's going to roll now. Yes. They were wrong. Do I need to play it again? Okay. I came for you guys, eh? One more time. Oh, really? Let me bust you. I was not the one that even composed this. So, huh? You think B is AI? Your final answer is B. Let me consult. Victor, that's not your team. I'm not replaying for you. Sorry. So the one on the right or on the left? The one on the right. The right. All right. She's right. Ah. 6 points. What? It's obvious. Oh, okay. You know cars, that's why. That's why you can talk like that. Okay. All right. This is for team A again. Back to you. Yeah, it's back to them. Let's start from the beginning. Take your time. Rest your eyes if you need to. There you go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right or left? Take your time. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll worry for you one more time. Don't worry. I'm a very nice host. Am I not? It's not your group. It's not your team. Sorry. There's no bonus. There's no bonus. Why would there be bonus? So how would you be still at that team's point? Wait for your turn. Don't worry. Your turn will come. Your turn will come. Don't worry. What's your answer? Eh? The one on the right? The one on the right? I feel so bad for you. You're wrong. It's the one on the left. It's the one on the left. Team A, what's going on? What's going on? All right, Team B, are you ready for me? You're ready. You've been saying, oh, you know the answers to the other ones now. You've made mouth 2 times. I heard you. When it was Team E, you're like, oh, their own is easy. Let's see you now. One more time. You know. Okay. Let's see if you know truly. One on the left or right? Left. You're right, actually. You're right. So we have 1 point Team B, 1 point Team C, 6 points Team E. Team A and Team D, I don't know what you guys are doing. All right, Team C, Victor. Okay. Here you go. One more time. Team C. Okay? Deliberate, talk, don't worry. You have 30 seconds. Let's see what you could come up with. Okay, I came to play, Abby. Thought I came to play. Just so yes, hello, you're chilling. Oh, it's that one. It's AI. No, that one is easy. It's easy to see now. Somebody said it's easy to see now. Okay, now. Let's see how you do today and tomorrow. No problem, no problem. All right. A, the one on the left or the one on the right? The one on the far left is AI. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong collectively. Collectively, you're wrong. So you see, when I watched it, I won't lie to you, I actually thought it was what he said. I thought it was the left. But after watching it, you see, if you paid attention in the first milliseconds, there was a head sticking out of that display. Yeah. And that's not normal. Sorry, Victor. Team D, are you ready? Are you ready? Are ready? All right, let's go. Because your questions yesterday were easy, and somebody said it's too easy. So, somebody said it, I heard somebody say yesterday, like, oh, it's easy now. That one is AI. Oh, yeah, come and tell the AI now. Tell the AI. Which one is AI? All right. Have you discussed? The one on the right? The one on the right. You're ready? You're sure? You're right. That's good. That's good. All right. Oh, that's good. Things are picking up. So we have 1 point Team B, 1 point Team C, 1 point Team D, and 6 points Team E. I mean, Team E is your people are active. You're active. Like just be organized. Just active. All right, let's roll. No. It's a change now. Let's go. You need me to replay it again? Like 4 times. Who's cheating for them? Really? That's what. One last time, okay. Really? Right or left? I don't like this thing. Yeah, they're hot. You're right. You're right. It's the one on the right. Okay, okay. Should you have one more? I don't like everybody has 1 point except team A. Eh? Yeah, I want to pity them. I want to give them one more question. I still have one video left to roll, so let me just give it to them. Let's see if they'll be lucky this time at least. So you catch up. Okay. Oh, like I should make it like up for grabs. Actually, it's 1 point. It is 1 point. Yeah. That's true. They get one. Yes, yes, actually. I'm feeling very generous. Yes. No, whoever is fast enough. Okay, yeah, let's do it like that. Whoever is fast enough to get the next video gets the points for their team. Yeah. Oh no, you know what? You know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? You're gonna all check the video out 2 times. I'm giving just 2 times. And then you go back to your seat and you deliberate, and each person will answer. Huh? No. Whoever gets it gets the point. Yeah, you're gonna discuss price. So you have 2 shots. Just 2. All right. Rolling. One more. All right. So go and deliberate. Go and ask yourself. No, go and sit now. You have to go back to your seat. You ready? Everybody's ready. Okay. Now, this is one thing. I'm not going to say anybody's answer outside. So it's not going to be as I'm supposed to be the one to listen to your answers. So you whisper. So I'll say the people that got it right and the people that got it wrong. What's your answer? Team B? MC. Eh? Okay. Wow. I don't know how to say this, but Okay. I tried. I really tried. And it's because I like your team. But you are the only ones that got it wrong. Team A. They all said left. They all said left. Like, how? I was literally throwing you a bone. You see? Wow. I tried. I'm a good person. I tried. So right now we have Team B, Team C, Team D with 2 points, and then we have Team E with 8 points. They got all their questions right, so I don't understand. Why you beefing me? Eh? The game itself is it was 5 points. Yeah. 1-1, yeah. Don't worry, we still have other games to help you catch up. Don't worry, this is just the first one. Let's see. Probably. It's not 1 in a million. I mean, you have points now. What do we do with Team A? I mean, you have 2 points. You have 3 points. Look, you have 2 points. Oh. Oh, so you can get 6 months upfront and just meet up with him. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. So, guys, thank you very much. Let's see if tomorrow you tell me that my questions are easy again. They are. They are. In your team has 0 points. They are. Anyway, you came a little too late. Sorry. All right. So, we'll be yielding the mic to our facilitator. But just before he comes on, we're going to have like a 10 minutes break. Stretch your legs, talk about your win or your defeat, and then we'll get right into agent work. So, guys, if you need water, if you need drinks, there are drinks on the is it left or my right? Left, my left. Sorry, thank you. Left hand side, so you could get water, you could get drinks. Thank you very much. Okay, please, you have 5 minutes more, and then we'll start the next session. You have 2 minutes more. Please, if you are not seated yet, please start getting seated. We're about to begin the next session. Thank you very much. Yeah, no. This is not a group thing. Everybody should just come to the front. Yes. Yeah, and come more to this side, since this is the screen that we're going to be using. So, Victor, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen well from there? You can? Yeah, sure. Solomon, you guys should come over here. All right, thank you, everyone. Now I'll be handing over to our guru. Don't worry, he's your helper, he likes you, and don't worry, he's not charging you points like I'm doing. So, and he will explain what it means for you to build. But don't worry, and you come back to me, still come back to me. I'm the points guy. So, you have the floor, sir.
All right, guys. Welcome to day 2. I hope you guys had a memorable day 1, where we spoke about AI fluency and prompting and just getting you boosted on how you can use AI. I hope you all went back through the workbook and get your problem statements and know the products you're going to be building. So before we start, if you do not have a team, I'd like you to just raise your hands up so we can, there's a new member or anybody, so we can add you to the team. And before we even begin anything,
So, we'll pass the mic to you, say your name, and then we'll add you to a team.
My name is Lekon Alayande.
All right. We have Mr. Lekon.
Mrs. Olushola Kayode.
We have Mrs. Olushola Kayode. Oh, yeah.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
And lastly, we have Rebecca.
all right, Rebecca, you'll be joining team 1, that's team A. So you guys should welcome Rebecca into your team. Then Olamilekon, you'll be joining team C. So you will be there with them. Then Mrs. Olushola, you'll be joining team D.
Over here. Yes.
Random.
Blame the AI, don't blame the facilitator.
All right, so guys, I'll need to scan the code for the workbook for day two, just like we did yesterday. So today is going to be very, very hands-on. So if you are not with your PC, I mean a laptop, you should be with someone so you guys can, or your team, should be with your team or anybody in your team so you guys can get to work with it. So you need this workbook open in a tab on your laptop because all of the instructions are there. You can easily copy and paste the prompt. You can easily get the links that you would be using for the workshop today. So just play with it. So have you all scanned the code before I switch? Yes. All right. Also, if you scan the code, like if you go to the home page, there are a lot of articles and educational contents that can help you with your AI knowledge. I literally have a lot of materials that can teach you automation. So we're not really doing automation during this session because we have a very limited time and it's just 3 days. Or if you study the content on the JIT book religiously for 3 months or 4 months, you'll be an AI expert, an automation expert, and you can charge money for consulting for people just by studying religiously. People pay good money for that. So here's a little bit of recap. Yesterday we did the prompt battle. You guys know your points. We see Team E who are excited and they are currently leading the whole point system. I personally do not like points because I have PTSD from DVLA. So anything, anything point related gives me PTSD. So today, yesterday I asked you guys, OJ asked you guys to develop a problem for the community. I mean, spot a problem and develop a solution. We're not developing problems. Develop a solutions for the problem to the community. So I hope every team have found something they want to work on or something they want to build today, because that's what we'll be working on today. So also I'll be telling you the rules about tomorrow's game, because tomorrow all we'll be doing is pitching the products that we built today. So you need to know how we'll be judging your products and what to expect and what would make you emerge the winner, because tomorrow is the due day. So next we'll move to building your agents. So yesterday I covered all of this, but I'm just giving you a refresh so you know what you're working on. So I cannot teach you to build an agent in 3 days. It requires much more expertise, but at least I can give you the basics that you can develop on and you can go on and can set the foundation for you that you can work on and become an expert on it. So today we are focusing more on products and not building an agent. So with the products we are going to be building is an HTML file. Yeah. We are not integrating any payment railways yet because it's too early. We can't do that in under 2 hours. We have less than 2 hours. But what you've built today, you'll be able to test it and see, oh, it solves the problem and it actually works. So firstly, you get your problem, like what is the problem of the product or of the community or whatever problem you're solving. What's the pain point? Then you give it a brief, like one job, the solution of the problem. Then you are going to be using Cloud Code or Codex or so. What AI are you guys using? I need one person from each team to volunteer and tell me what AI you have right now, so I can know how to navigate. So team A, Cloud, right? Yeah. Okay, so you're working with John Cloud. So team B, Cloud. So is it paid? Is it pro? It might slow you down. So team C. Okay. Oh, how about team D? Where's team D? Where's team D? Oh, okay. Are you guys with your PC? What AI are you guys using? Cloud. Okay. Speed, right? Is it okay? Okay. Then team E. How about team E? Oh, Codex. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, you can use any AI. Yeah, what AI do you have? So this is what you're going to be building on the screen. Like I said, it's one HTML file. So it is nothing that is going live really. It's just living in an HTML file where we can just see what you have built and we can navigate and just show us the problem and solution and how your product solves the problem. So now we are going to get started to actually build it. We do not have much time. So I want you guys to go to your workbook. The first page on the workbook. So I'll just go there myself to show you guys what to do. So I believe I also hear the problem or what products you'll be building from each team. So team A, what are you going to be working on today? I mean, you guys, yeah. Okay, just take your time. So team B too. Okay, okay, yeah. Start the person that has the problem and the job that your product does. All right, who's going first? Okay, team A. So, what's the problem, and which person has the problem, and how are you solving the problem?
The problem is there's a lot of small businesses that are struggling to get retained customers. So I think we're choosing food shops. What does that mean, Mobro? What is that?
All the corner shops, the off-license shops, those are like our target. And
use that three paragraphs, it helps you with your build. Mm,
Yeah. Yeah. First of all, thank you. It's a very powerful, very powerful prompt that you've given us, and we've deliberated, and we just feel like in this community that we happen to be in, um, there's a lot, there's a lot of potential, and I feel like what we want to provide is that untapped potential. If you look around you in this community, there's a lot of diversity, people from different types of communities, different types of background, different types of status, and that's the beauty about London, that diversity. But with that diversity, sometimes brings a little bit of clutter, a little bit of jargon words, a little bit of unforeseen circumstances in certain situations. Where I'm hitting the nail on the head is more or less for people that might be in situations where they are being evicted, people that might be in situations where they are being let go of their job unlawfully, or certain things maybe to do with the council tax. And right now, currently, if we were to go forward and try and look for the right, I don't know, website, we need to be directed to the right website in order to be able to contact this person. It's a bit of a maze. So what we're hoping to do, and we haven't done anything just yet, but what we're hoping to do is bring all these multiple dimensions where they are scattered around the internet and bring in one platform to help everyone based on the community and the diversity.
very much. I love that. So, where is Team D? Oh, I just need to know the person.
The the problem is flying tipping. You know, in Bruce Grove, there's like a lot of people dumping illegal waste on the streets, and a lot of the residents have been complaining about that. And what's the other question? Who has the problem? Arike Council and people living in the community as well. Yes, still up to the council. Like we're gonna create like a camera, AI camera detection. They can detect when someone illegally dumps something on the street and then send it directly to Arike Council.
So, how about Team E?
Okay, so the problem we want to solve is we want to create a youth well-being and pathway hubs that tackles the problem of isolation, drug exposure, street vulnerability, and lack of opportunity by giving the young people a safe space, trusted adults, mentoring, creative activities, skills training, and a route into work or enterprise. But that's what the community needs. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't worry, we can sell our idea back to you.
All right, so I've gotten some very, very pretty good ideas, ranging from community hubs, street cameras, CRM tools, building houses, all brilliant ideas, by the way. So, okay, housing hub. It's an housing hub. Oh, that's really good. So, this is a generic prompt. So, I want you guys to copy the. Like I said, it is generic. So, because I want you guys to use your own. You can add to it. So, I made a generic one because yesterday we taught you guys how to prompt, and you can see there were different prompts for everyone. Everyone created different special prompts, and that was how we have a winner for Team E. So, this is a generic one. You can fine tune it. You can make it better to suit the problem or whatever you're building. So I need you to like just copy that prompt, paste it into your Cloud Code, Codex, Everybody has Cloud Code installed, definitely. Yeah. So who does not have Cloud Code or Codex installed here? For like no, in the group, like for your team, for your team. So I can run you through the setup. Okay, you do you have the setup. Yeah. So it's Cloud Code, right? Yeah. Just just join here, man. Just join the bit. Yeah. So by now, I believe we should have a screen that looks like this. If you are using Cloud Code, you should have a screen that looks like this. So when you're using Cloud Code, it's different from the normal Cloud. So you have to like open a folder. So you would see okay, if you've done all of that. Well, I think just you guys are using Cloud Code, right? Just two of you. So firstly, it would ask you to like create a folder or pick a new folder. So you just need to pick a folder. So currently, I've just picked the AI Engage Masterclass folder. So everything that I'm going to be building is going to be going into that folder. So why Cloud Code asks you for this is because it controls everything inside that folder. So the initial way of building, if I want to create a PDF now or a Word document, you previously copy the output from Claude or ChatGPT, then you can paste it into a Word document directly, then you save it, all of that. But with Claude Code, it does that for you automatically. So once you give it a folder for it to operate in, it knows everything in that folder. So if you have any previous knowledge or context, it can read all of that and then it can act on your behalf instead of telling you to do the stuff. It just does it for you automatically. So that's the beauty of Claude Code. So if it's writing a okay, if it's writing a file or it's writing anything, it does it all automatically. So with that now, you would paste the prompt. So have you pasted the prompt from the workbook? So let me go over it. The lessons from yesterday. Make your prompt very, very good. Like add rules to it. Tell it to research. You don't have to like tell it to do the stuff instantly. So when building, make sure your AI is researching and searching the web for how to make it better and using all of that. You guys have got 5 minutes more to fill in the first prompt because that's just one prompt. So you need so have a result in like 5 minutes so we can speed things up. All right, guys. As a quick tip, since you all are still trying to figure it out, so I deliberately put that prompt out because I wanted you guys because in this prompt now there is no element of research in it. It is straight up building a product for you. So this would be a very wrong way to start. So you need to actually make your research first. So I want you guys to tweak the prompt into making a research into that problem. Then seeing, so you can generate even a better prompt, then you can now build your product from that prompt. So don't just follow this prompt directly. Like I said, it is generic. So I want you guys to, apply the skill you learned yesterday on making prompts better to make it better, then you build your product. So do not go ahead and build the product straight up like, without even seeing what you are doing. So if you have any questions or anything, please let me know. All right, hands up, guys. Now let's continue with the presentations. I just wanted you guys to, get a feel into it and know what you'll be building. So that prompt is simply just to give you an introduction on how you can start creating the project and imputing the problem, the solutions, and everything in a one shot prompt. So I can see some teams already created. It already give them the website directly an HTML file where they can it solves the problem or whatever solutions they have. So now I want to give you the skills and prompts to even make it better. So now I think team C they already created a landing page for their product. They are building a camera, a bean collector camera-based style product. So if you want to make the appearance better and make your products at a more stage without having the knowledge of a pro coder or a pro website creator. So this is why I have put up skills there. So I call it power up skills. So yesterday I explained that skills are simply a set of prompts that have been made by pro or experts in different fields. So they've created those prompts for you and they've turned it into a skill markdown file. So you can now use their knowledge into creating whatever you want to create. So on the screen, it's also on the workbook. You would see there's a front-end design skill. That's an official skill by Anthropic. So this is to, make your front end of the product you're building much better. So to invoke this skill, you see the link there, github.com. You can just paste this link into your AI. Tell it, okay, now I want you to use this front-end design skill to when creating my website. So we also have the web artifact builder, PPTX. You use this when you're building your PowerPoint file for your presentation tomorrow. So you don't need that now. So this skill is the one I want you guys to tap into and use it while building your product. So you can just copy this link here, input it into your AI and tell it, okay, I want you to use this skill to build my product. So inside this skill, the person who created this skill has created unique ways to make your website look even better. So I'm sure if you have typed out the first prompt, you must have seen what your AI has given you. It probably looks generic or it looks AI-ish. So like if you fine-tune it with skills like this, it turns your website into a pro website or something a veteran builds, like someone who has 5 years experience building websites in just one shot. So that is how you can make your prompts better. So I would hand over that. I want you guys to start using skills. Another tip you can also do is if you don't like any skills on this page, you can get more skills. You can just tell your AI, so I want you to search GitHub or Reddit or X for any skills you think that would help me in this problem. Since that's after you have sent the first prompt. So you're asking the AI to make a research on skills or markdown files that would be useful for your product. Then you can now integrate any one of those skills. So I want you guys to try that now after the first prompt. I mean, you guys have pasted the first prompts now, right? By now, I expect you guys to at least have an HTML file that shows you guys what you have built or like what you have done with your creation. So before today, would you have created something like that? I want to know how we are. Have you created something like that before ever? Ish, somewhat. Okay. So that's the essence of this. So I want you guys to see the things that you can create with AI, because most people don't know they can even, and that's just the basic stuff. That's just you being one day in. So imagine you study the whole course for just 2 or 3 days or 4 more days. You see crazy things that you can build with it. Guys, can I have your attention, please? So, I noticed most of the AI is currently thinking right now, so we can just, put the time into good use instead of waiting for it to think finish. So I'll just go on with the presentation while the AI thinks and builds up the website for us. So I mentioned the skill earlier. So like I said, it's a folder of instructions. I know we're all excited building, but this is something that you can use apart from even building because there are a lot of skills out there that people have created. Because yesterday I talked about it briefly. I said I created an anti-AI slop skill which lets you write without it being flagged as AI. So that is some of the skills that you can find useful. So apart from just building with AI, so there are many more other skills that people have created. So I don't know. You guys can use this on your phone or anything. I'm just like while your AI thinks, just smart ways to use your AI. You can just ask any of your AI like, okay, search GitHub for me and find me any skill.md file that you think would be good for me based on all what I've been doing with my AI. Like just like this is just random. This is not for building. This is just improving your use of AI. You get. So you can do this on your phone or anything. This is something that can help you afterwards outside this class. It's called skill file. So just ask it because I do not know what I can't start asking everybody what profession they are in. So but I know your AI knows a lot about you because you have probably asked it this is what I do, this is what I do. So like it has your memory and the context in the profile. So you can just ask it to, okay, search GitHub for any skill markdown file that you feel will be useful for all you have been doing and can ease your work and make your work even better. Yeah. So right now I just listed some of the skills that you might find helpful. Like I say, it's generic, it's just for building the website. So for you, it might be a skill that is better for you. So like this is a front-end design skills. It makes it builds a front-end, it does the front-end design for your website much better. Test skill, web app testing, and all of that. So GitHub is where you'll find most of these resources. If you don't know what GitHub is GitHub. So that's where most developers, that's where they spend most of their time, and most of them are committed into open sourcing their products. By I mean like giving the community for free, just giving out free resources on the web. So if you're looking for any dev tooling resources, GitHub is where you find them. So what the AI does is because instead of you scrolling through multiple GitHub profiles and everything, the AI just streamlines it and picks the best for you. That's why I asked you to use your AI to just search for materials that will be useful for you and that you can use. So what are MCPs? If you use Claude, I don't know if any of you guys have noticed there's something called connectors. I don't know if you have come across it. Yeah. So connectors are what we call MCP. Do you guys know in your PowerPoint or your Microsoft Word, do you know Claude can work directly in it? Yeah, okay. You use that Claude directly in Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, even in Canva. Do you know Claude can control your Canva? I don't know. What other apps you can think of like Claude? Yeah, Claude can work in Slack. So how does it connect to those apps? That's what we call MCPs. So this is like a USB for AI. You know how USB works? You connect your phone to your laptop and then you can have access to the stuffs on your phone from your laptop. You know how that works? So that is the same way Claude works too. So I'll just show you guys some of the connectors that you can use that you can find really cool. That you can use if you use Claude or Codex. I think yeah. So you simply go to the customize. So this is my my setup. So you can see these are the skills I have currently embedded in my AI. You can see I have the CV skill, CV tailor, a full stack audit, UX audit, video to skill, Canva translate, anti-AI stuff. These are skills that I got for free on the web, and anytime I want to invoke it, like I just call it, okay, use this skill to create something. So now, if you see that CV skill, if you ask an AI to write a CV for you, to most likely write it in a very non-professional way, or just write it the way it is trained. But with that CV tailor skill, he writes it in a way that the employer needs you to write it. So the person that created this skill is an HR, a senior HR personnel. So she told you this is what HR looks for in a CV. This is how the CV beats the ATS and all of that. So all of those knowledge, she inputs it into a prompt, then turns it into a skill. So you can just use that skill anytime on your CV, and then it will tailor your CV into what can get you a job, what the HR actually wants to see, and just paying people to even write your CV and all of that. So the AI can do it by just using that skill. So there's the link to all of this skill is in the workbook. So I'll show you later on how you can get those skills. But this is what some of what my setup looks like. So you go to customize on the right side here. Customize. Here you see skills. Have you seen it? Yeah, I think it does. It should. Yeah. So have you? All right, so that's that about skills. Now, I'm going to connectors. So these are my connectors. I connected my Gmail to my Claude. So if I want to send an email to anybody, I just tell Claude from the chat, Claude, send an email to this person, draft it, blah blah blah, and it does it automatically. I don't have to copy the mail text and go to my Gmail, then paste it. I can also tell you that, okay, Claude, if any email from this person, maybe a certain organization enters my inbox, reply to it in this way, or just anything you can do, like you can just use Claude directly. So I don't need to copy directly. They're going to be pasting in my Gmail one by one. I can just tell Claude from the chat, and then it controls my Gmail, and then it sends the mail. So these are... Claude can do this. Just add the connector, and then it connects to your Gmail, and then it has access to your Gmail. You can send, you can review your drafts, you can, while you are asleep, you can automate tasks. So you're like, okay, every 8 a.m. or every 12 p.m. on Friday, send this mail to maybe my costmates. So it will do everything directly. So there is no human in the loop, but you have to give it the direction on what to do. So I also have Canva. By Canva, because I'm not so good with designs, so I just tell it, I want to create a flyer for, okay, maybe the Hiram Initiative. I do not know how to use Canva. I'll tell it, okay, now I have connected Canva to you, so just go and use Canva and create me the flyer. I want the flyer to have maybe blue colors. You should just describe it in your normal words. Go to Canva and then organize everything. Because if you create with AI, I don't know if you guys have seen most images generated with AI. It has a similar look. But by connecting Canva now, it's giving the AI the access to check templates from Canva and then just building it directly from Canva. So it's like a human going to Canva and building it directly on Canva, not just building from your ChatGPT or your Claude directly. So I also have my GitHub, Claude in Chrome. So many other connectors. So it depends on what you are using your AI for. So you can always ask the AI to. So the thing is, most people don't know these features exist, and that is what kills it. That's what kills most people. So, but right now, if you have, the basic foundation that, there are things called connectors, there are things called skills. You can easily ask your AI, how can I get this connector? How can I add it? How can I add you to the connector to you. How can I do it? And then you know that you can do something like that. So the one I really like is Claude in Chrome. I enjoy that so much because most of my tools are basically on Chrome. So Claude can control my Chrome. And you know when Claude can control your Chrome, you can actually do anything logged in on that Chrome. So I have my Twitter logged in. I have my almost all of my accounts or anything logged in. So by giving him access to control my Chrome, he can easily go to my Twitter page. Like, okay, maybe every morning scan for profiles and see what people are posting in my niche. Then it reports back to me and say, oh, okay, now I've used your Claude, I've used your Chrome today, and I saw that people are posting about anything like that he sees. Then you come back to me and tell you this is what they are talking about. You can post something like that, or you can also post it directly because it has access to the Claude. I'm going to show you a live example of Claude using the Claude in Chrome. Let me show you a live example so you guys see. I also have the extension on my Chrome too, but like from my charts directly, I can tell it to do something. But I want to show you a live view of it using my Claude. So, yeah. You guys can just, what should I do with it? Any example, anything you want to do? Maybe you want to check something or. Oh, okay. So you see, the first thing it does is, or it gives you a plan of what it would do. So right now, this is like I said, it's very generic. Let me make it bigger. So for someone who doesn't know anything about crypto, like you can see, it is a very, very basic problem. I just told you, I want to know the top 5 market cap for crypto prices. So you see, it knows where it's going to go. So it says it's going to visit Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko. I did not have the knowledge of that before. So that is the things that AI gives you, because it's artificial intelligence. So it says it will extract the top 5 coins along with their common price and summarize the findings for you. So I just have to approve the plan, and then Claude will do everything for me on Chrome. So you can see I did not touch my Chrome. You can see it went to the website by itself. Can you see it's moving the cursor by itself and controlling my Chrome. So I can do this directly from my charts too. It just uses my Chrome and then it goes to search for anything or do anything directly. So you can see now it has given me back the results. So I can also tell it post it on Reddit for me. It's probably open my Reddit, and I'm not even sure if my Reddit is logged in here, but it could do it. Now it will create a plan, then it would open Reddit. Then if my Reddit is signed in here, you can post these findings on Reddit. So you can see the plan. So you can always edit the plan so if you don't like what it's doing or you feel it's not in line, because let's say we talk about iterating and going back on what you can do. So you can see it told me that you need to already be logged in into your account. I won't log in on your behalf. So if my Reddit is logged in, it would go there directly and post it directly because it has access to my Chrome. So it's going to go all the way to Reddit by itself. So anything, so if you have maybe a workflow, probably, I don't know if most job or most in your workplace now, because they will tell you, oh, okay, get the spreadsheet from this place, then you're pasting it there, or go and like a task. You can actually delegate the task to Claude, and then if you use your Chrome and do all of those tasks. So he can even answer an interview, but this is cheating. This is bad ways to use the AI. But if you have, like, let's say, an interview questions or anything, you can literally tell it, oh, okay, now navigate this page, fill in the questionnaires, it will do it by itself, all alone, without you. But like, you should use your AI legally because they can track you down one day and stuff. But yeah, those are some of the cool stuff. Like people they don't realize they can do with AI. So the same way it works in Chrome, like there are many other connectors because most platforms now they are integrating AI into it. So you can just connect your AI to the platform, and then you can tell your AI directly in chats to do any of those tasks. So it works on Slack, Notion, anything at all. So now, if let's say I'm working on a school project here, I can tell it to search databases for resources that I can use to answer, like, maybe they give you a 2,000 word essays and they ask you to get references and all of that. I can literally tell it to go to Web of Science using my logins on Chrome and then give me the references and all of that, then paste it into the Word document. It will do everything automatically. This is how I'll be able to get an A's in all of my in all of my courses. So it's not cheating. No, turn it will catch you. So yeah, it is pretty cool what you can do with AI. So there is no limits. You just say so, be ready to be open-minded to learn more and get there are a lot of open source knowledge there because you wouldn't know all of this if you don't even make a research about it. But that is how this works. So I think our artifacts should be built by now, the HTML file. So that was just a quick break while the AI works on this. So we're going to get back to the project and see what we've got. All right, guys. We can take a short break and we'll be right back. So we can see what else we've done.
Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello, hello. I know it's amazing. I know. But wait. Come back to me. Eh? Come back to me. I still love you. Come back to me. I still love you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. So we have some snacks and drinks on the right side. So please help yourselves. And your break is for 15 minutes. So after that, we'll come back. We'll finish with Jalal, and then you come back to me as you're supposed to. So please enjoy yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you have 5 minutes more and we have to continue. We are happy that you are having fun and we are sorry to do this to you, but we have to now. You have 5 more minutes and then you have to come back and meet Jalal and then meet the final boss, me. Okay, one more thing. So if you just come in and you have not been placed in a team yet, at the end of Jalal's session, we'll be placing people in teams again. And then today is the final. If you miss today, there is no more team for you. Tomorrow is just do and come and display and pitch your product. Because we don't want people to reap where they did not sow. Yes. Yes, exactly. So somebody that did not come day 1, day 2, and then wants to come on day 3 and come and so reap where they did not sow. We're not allowing that. So at the end of Jalal's session, we'll place those that aren't in teams, and then we'll finalize everything. You have 4 minutes more. Thank you very much for your attention on this matter.
All right. While you guys are enjoying your break, someone called my attention to something. So you are required to, build an HTML file to qualify for the competition. But if you want to go far and beyond, it's actually cool because the reason why we limited the scope is because we have less time and we want you guys to get the most out of it.
So then they cannot go far, but you want them to go far.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, there's no problem. Since I said they should go far.
Boss said no go. One HTML file.
That was what I said.
One HTML file. Just one.
So I'm also trying to make sure that everybody's carried along because by the time we start talking about APIs and domain names, you're going to lose some people. So let's keep it streamlined to HTML file. You can create, if it's 10 HTML files inside Cloud Code that you want to create, no problem. Feel free.
You are not allowed to use APIs. You are not allowed
to use APIs, Victor. You are not allowed to use APIs, Victor.
Wait. By APIs, what do you mean? No. Okay. No. Okay. Wait, you are allowed to use APIs. So you are allowed to use APIs. I'll get to that. I'm coming. In the presentation, I'll get to that.
For HTML file? No, you can't. If you want to create 10 HTML files, no problem. But within Cloud Code. Yes. No APIs. Victor, no APIs. Okay.
All right, guys, we have 10 more minutes before the session. So I think break's over. Let's get back coding. So right now, I'm just going to run you guys through what you'll be presenting tomorrow and how you should present and what we expect from you. So it's not a heavy task. You can just keep on listening so you don't miss out the key details. All right, can I have you guys in the front, please, so we can continue.
To the front, 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 to the front. You people don't like to see. You don't see the other side. Don't make me start being like that toxic boyfriend. So please, stand up. Thank you. Thank you. To the front. With your snacks and your drinks. Come to the front. You have to come to the front. No negotiations. Thank you.
It's just a listening session. Don't worry. Just okay.
It's just a listening session. Yeah. But once it's done, you're going to go back to your teams. But yeah, for now.
So tomorrow is the final pitch, and what we'll be judging is what you guys have built today, and what you continue after the session ends. Because I can see some very very cool stuffs already. So we'll be rewarding how you tell your story of the product, that's storytelling with AI. So I'm running you guys through what you'll be presenting tomorrow and how you should pitch the product tomorrow and what the judges are looking out for in your product. So the first thing, the first rubric that the judges will be looking at is the clarity of the problem. What is it a real problem? Is the problem justified? That's the first thing the judge will be looking out for. Then your product's functionality, like how efficient is your product to solve that problem? Is it really solving the problem, or you're just wrapping up a product around it? Then the creativity behind the product, creativity behind the idea, the designs, how you came up with the ideas and how you used all of that. Like this lies in your prompts. Then communication is literally the last thing. That's you explaining what your product does and how it works and covering everything in the 3 minutes time turn. So, like I said, the clarity of the problem, it falls under the person plus pain. We explained that yesterday. The agent for functionality, like you kept the promise of what your product does. Then the creativity, how you frame the product. And the communication, how you tell all four. So this is what the judges are looking out for tomorrow in your product. So you can always sharpen your problem statements. There's a prompt in the workbook to help you sharpen your problem statement to see if it is justified, if there's an actual problem, or even add more solutions or more complexities to it. So another tips for your demo, like you should have a script of what you're gonna pitch to the judges. So instead of you coming up on the spot with, if your product requires a question, you must have tested the question before you come on stage. Like just stick to that one question and just show the crowd, okay, this is how you build the product and this is what it does. So have a script for it. You can also have backup screenshots in case, but it's an HTML file. There should not be any error. But if you added any fix in the last minute, you can break up everything. So you can have a screenshot ready in case your HTML fails. And let the output be the star, basically. Yeah, like let the solution be the major thing you focus on. Like, okay, this is the problem now. This is what you get with our product. So this is just a pitch structure because it's going to be 3 minutes for each team. So you can follow this or create yours. This is, again, it's generic. Depending on whatever your product is, you might need a different structure. So this is pretty much all we'll be doing today. So tomorrow we'll be battle testing your product and seeing if it works. And as usual, I have my LinkedIn here. If you have any questions or follow up, or you want to skill up outside of this session, I'll always be glad to help you guys with it. So that will be all for today. So I'll just be coming around to see and solving any problems that you've encountered with your product or your AI or your agents, and we'll be fixing it before we wrap up today. Thank you very much for coming. I enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. A round of applause again for our facilitator. Thank you. Wow. And you eventually came back to me. Oh, it's me that came. Oh, Team B. So, my facilitator, I also need your help. So we have a couple of people who joined us and are not in teams yet. As I said, there is not going to be any teaming tomorrow. Just presenting and pitching. Huh? No. There's not going to be any pitching tomorrow. Any teaming tomorrow. Just pitching. So, if you know that you're not in a team yet, please just raise your hand and we'll place you in one. All right, we have one person. Where's the other mic? What's your name, sir?
My name is Abimbola Deoli.
Okay. Mr. Abimbola. And your name?
My name is Gold.
Aoshi Precious Stone. We have Gold. Anyone else that has not been in a team? Huh? Oh, you. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Majida. Ah, I like that name. Very unique. Come. They are trust me, they like you. Because you might not be in opposing teams. Huh? H-band. It's not H-band. Oh, they also want to be... Okay. Sure. Let's not limit. What's your name?
Declan.
Oh, so we have Declan. How about you?
Brian.
Huh?
Brian.
Brian. We have Declan and Brian. Wow. I heard that. I heard that. Where's Victor? All right. Let's know where we are placing Gold,
All right.
Declan,
For
Brian.
Ryan, you'll be joining Team A.
Brian, Team A. Team A is here.
For Gold, you'll be joining Team B.
Gold, Team B, here.
Declan joins Team C.
Team C, Declan. Here.
Mr. Abimbola joins Team D.
Mr. Abimbola.
That is a very stacked team because it's pretty good already.
Wow. Okay. I'm beginning to see it now. There's a pattern. Let me not say anything. Let me not discuss anything.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Team B, Declan, you're here? Here. No, you people don't need. You're already 8 points ahead. What do you want again? All right. No, Samuel is already in the team. He's already in a team. She. Oh. Team C.
Magic Team C.
Oh. Yeah, in Victor's team. Yeah, you're already seated. Here, in front here. So everybody, please go back to your teams. Go back to your teams. Go back to your seats. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, Team E. You know where you're supposed to be seated. So everybody, please go back to your teams. Hello, before you start dragging my facilitator everywhere, it was my babe first. So we're going to have one more session tomorrow before the pitching, because he said you still need some reviews and some advices on how to go about your project. So we'll have that at the beginning of tomorrow, and then we go straight into the main.
So let me just give you a few insights of what we'll be covering tomorrow. Today, I just showed you guys how to create a basic HTML file. So tomorrow, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to take the product live after the class. I'm not showing you, you're not taking it live during the session, but the tools that you would need to know to come across when you're building a product. So there are popular launch pads and database, payment trails, all of that. So I'll create a document and I'll bring it right here tomorrow. So for those who want to build beyond this session, that would help you. So once you know the names of these products and the projects, you can easily ask your AI. You can connect your AI to those projects, and then it just does the work for you, and then it reviews it for you, and then you can have a fully fledged project at the end of the day. Like you get a .com, like a .com kind of project. So you get domains, APIs, all of that. So it's just going to be a very short 30-minute session, but just giving you the basics that you can feed into your AI, that he can now go back and teach you. Then you can launch your product, and you can be self-sufficient after all.
Right? Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's coming down. Victor, it's coming down. It's coming down. So, everybody, as I said, please go back to your teams. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, Team E. Everybody's sitting down. People don't like me anymore. Is that your team? You're in Team C. Where is Team D? There's nobody here. Huh? We're not doing anything with the screen again. We're not doing anything on the screen again. Now it's me and you. It's me and you. So I'm not doing anything with the screen again. Don't worry. Team E, back to your seats. Thank you very much. It's for you to go back to your seat, so. Dickiness, 19B. Is she with you? Team D. She's with you in Team D. Huh? Yeah. Right, I know you people are really injured on building, but please now, please now. Let me not be like that babe that is asking for attention. Please now, focus on me. Me. Hello, hello. Thank you. So I want you to take a look at the back, the screen at the back. That's what you're competing for. Tomorrow, we are going to pick the winners. And there's a $150 reward in majorly credits. You know, you finished, you beat your agent, but you still want to do more, you still want to be able to access more, analyze. And then we're having a trip to the London Transport Museum. Woo. Yeah. Funny enough, just sharing something, you don't know how much even your government has already gone far with AI. So at the London Transport Museum, one of the things that you're going to be seeing is a voice-activated AI that you converse with and shows you scenes about history, about how London has been building a transport system since when they started. So it's to show you that even they are getting smarter and they are learning how to integrate AI into their systems. So, don't be left behind. So at the end of tomorrow, after your pitch, and the judges have decided, and the audience too has decided, the winners are going home with that. I guess I'm wondering who is following me to London Transport Museum because I've been itching to go. Oh, you're so sure. Huh? The whole team. Which one is just one person? It's the whole team now. Yes. As long as you're available, yes. Huh? Oh, it's the whole team for the 150, yes. Yeah. Okay. All right. I see what you want to do there. You want to finish my annual salary in one go. I saw what you did there. That's good. All right. Everybody is seated. Okay. That's good. So let me put the barcode before we get into the nitty-gritty. So there are two things that are going to do for me, two favors that are going to do for me before we get into me doing you a favor by giving you points. Are you guys listening to me? I said there are two favors that are going to do for me before I now do you a favor by giving you points. Nobody said anything. Okay, let's go. So number one is the QR code at the back. You're going to scan it and make sure that you are joining the community because as I said, what we are doing here is not just for these 3 days. For those that are ready to be committed, we are still taking you up. There's going to be mentorship. I'm still going to be following you up to make sure that your knowledge doesn't just stop from here. So make sure you scan the code and you are there because that's where everything is going to be happening. That's my first favor. People now, bring out your phones and scan now. Joe now. Joe now. In Victor's voice, Joe now. I'm waiting for you to scan now. Scan, please scan, please scan, please scan, please scan, please scan, please scan. Please scan. Huh? Huh? What does it do? It's working. The link is there. Yeah, it was going to direct you from your browser. It's going to direct you to WhatsApp. To Gemini. Bro, are you sure you're scanning the right thing? Scan it again. It's supposed to direct you to WhatsApp. Huh? It's there. It's there. The link is supposed to take you to WhatsApp, not to Gemini, not to another website. WhatsApp. Anything that you're seeing outside of WhatsApp, it's not me. All right? Have you all scanned? Click it again. It's going to take you to WhatsApp. So aggressive. Go to your team. Wow. You're so competitive. Yes. Yeah, just join the first one. You can start from here. Yes. You're in the right place. All right. Has everyone scanned? Is everyone on WhatsApp? Are you in the group on WhatsApp? You all are? All right. Now it's time for me. Okay, you still have one more favor. I just remembered. So you see there's another QR. There's still some scanning more to do. There's another QR on your tables. You have to scan, and it's take you to a survey or a form where you talk about your experience. How have you loved the session so far? Do you like me or you don't like me? Do you like Jalal or you don't like Jalal? You don't like, wow. It's me that is giving you the money. You're a smart man. You're a very smart man. I like that. You're a very smart man. You are not smart. Imagine you're already antagonizing me. It's Solomon, okay. So please scan the QRs on your tables and give us a feedback. How was your experience? What do you think about it? Would you like to come again to something like this, or, we're never going to see you again? Let us know. If there's any way you think we can improve, also drop it there. No, that one. Scan, please, 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 scan. Please scan. No, don't worry, I'm not going to scam you, don't worry. I'm not going to scam anybody, no. Yeah, you are safe. Please scan, 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 please scan. Please scan me. All right. We'll give you like 2 minutes to go through the form and fill the form. Usman, scan please. Scan me. Scan me, scan me, scan me, scan me, scan me. Scan me. No. Yes, scan me. Scan me now. There is one on your table, Samuel. What are you doing in Team B? Okay, I'm waiting for you to fill the forms, though. First team to finish filling the form has 1 point. I've said it. First team to finish filling the form has 1 point. Huh? So? Team E is already ahead, though. If they get 1 more point, that's like, just I will not say give up, Sha, but just know that you have a lot to do tomorrow then. I know Peter doesn't like me. I know Peter is not today. Oh, Team D finished. Let me see. Let's see it. Yeah, they finished. It's 1 person. All you need is 1 person. I don't need to specify. Sorry. You didn't announce that you're finished. I'm sorry. You didn't announce. I said the first team. Sorry. It's never enough. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You can continue. First team to finish. Anybody in the team. Doesn't have to be 1 person. It doesn't have to be the whole group. 1 person. Oh. First team. I'm not giving them the point. No way. No. I got my points jealously. So I'm sorry. I ain't giving you no point like that. No way, bro. So as of now, according to my stats, Team E has 8 points, Team D has 3 points, Team C, Team B have 2 points, And team A has 0. Team A has 0. I told them that I really tried to help team A. They told me, like, I'm telling you, I really tried to help them. Everybody's a witness. I tried to help team A. So, all right. All right, now is the time. It is time for me to do you a favor by giving you my point. Hello, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. I know I broke your heart the first time, but come back to me. Huh? Hello. Thank you. All eyes on me. So we're moving to another very interesting game. We've had very interesting games over the past 3 days. We had Prompt Battle, which Team E is a proud winner of. Then we had Spot the Gauntlet today. And some teams really disappointed me. I didn't say anything. I didn't mention anything. But some teams really disappointed me. So now we're going to be having question and answer. Yeah. We're going back basic. But it's going to be about AI and some of the things that you have learned so far. I want to see how much you've been paying attention to what Jalal has been saying. Let's see who was actually attentive in class and who is the bad student. Or which team is the bad student. Yeah. For every question you get, there is 1 point. 1 point. And because of our last game, some people said I was unfair for not allowing bonus points to be up for grabs. So this one, there's going to be bonus points up for grabs. If you think you know the answer, you can hug. You people need to meet up to team E. Or if team E is smart enough, they can gap you by, and then you just feel discouraged and not come tomorrow. Or come tomorrow, please. I'm with you. I'm rooting for you. All right, so team A, your question. Are you ready? Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Are you sure you're ready for me? Are you ready for me? All right. Your first question. You give an AI the same question 2 times, and it gives you different responses. Why? You give an AI the same question twice, but it gives you different responses. Why? Deliberate. Is it that you give AI one and don't AI it, right? Yeah, I'm saying don't AI it. I know you people. No. If you use AI, I will know. If you use it, I will know that you use it. I will know. So put your phones down and your laptops down. If you're not working, just leave it. I'm watching you. Thank you. First person to answer. First team to answer. After team A has gotten it wrong. You give an AI one question 2 times and it gives you different responses. Why? Team A, people don't like you. People are ready to see you fall. Put it down. After they have gotten the question wrong, they've not answered this yet. Yeah. After they've gotten it wrong, then it's up for grabs. You give an AI one question 2 times and it gives you different responses. Why? Yes. Timer. Okay, let me set timer now. 1 minute. Everybody has 1 minute to answer each question. Where's my timer? Timer. I'm coming. Don't use AI. Oh. If you use AI, I will know. I will know. All right, you have 1 minute. Oh, you've gotten the answer. Where's my other mic? Yeah.
Okay.
What's your answer?
AI is never 100% accurate. It gives like factual errors. Sometimes it knows one thing better than the other. So I guess it's never right like all the time. So definitely AI can make errors.
All right. That's a good answer. You have to make a consensus and one person answers. You cannot be having different answers in one team. Sorry. That's quite good, but no, that's not. There is a word I'm looking for.
Have different opinions.
There is a word I'm looking for.
What's the word you're looking for?
There's a word I'm looking for, and Jalal has said it many times in this class. No, you can't ask Jalal. Come. Wait. No. I'm not giving it to them yet. So think about your answer again and say it.
Okay, so you need one word.
No, not that I need one word. There's a word. There's a word inside. You give. See.
Can you guys rest?
Can you people rest? People are waiting for your downfall. Look, calm down. Do better.
Rest. It's not their question.
So you are giving an AI one question 2 times, and it gives you different responses. Why? There is a critical word that is supposed to be there, and Jalal mentioned it in the class. I'm not giving them the hint. I'm giving everybody. I'm giving them one more chance. They have 0 points. They have 0 points. Okay, you already missed it. D raise the hand first. Okay. You know what? I'm going to just ask my AI who should I give it to. No. Let them answer. Okay. Team D. Hallucination. No. Team E.
Rubbish.
Okay.
Why don't you guys have any point?
Okay. Okay. That's a good answer, but there's something key that you're missing there. It's one word. Team C. Descend. Descendment. No.
It's the
Team B.
The word has. Sorry, can I? Wait. It's the word iterate. It's iterate.
The answer is a. No. It's not that one. You missed it. Everyone missed it. 0 for everybody. No. You had your chance. Sorry. No. No. It's always changing. It's one word. The word is. No. The answer is large language models, LLMs. Yes. That is it. It is the reason why it can give you difference, because it has access to a large language model. And he mentioned it in his class. Like I said, you are not paying attention. Yes, because the LLM is the reason why, and he mentioned it, he said it in class. The LLM is the reason why it can give you different responses and not repeat its words every time. So, sorry.
So yeah, I mean, all the answers were actually correct, but he was looking for a particular word. So you guys just said what? Yeah. No. Okay. So yeah, you guys gave. So okay. I'll just. So. Yeah. So. Okay, so guys, let me just give
You should calm down, not swallow me. Calm down. Calm down.
I
Calm
apologize
down.
for OJ. I apologize on OJ's behalf. Well, okay, so yesterday I explained what an LLM was. Can anybody tell me what an LLM is? Like from people that were here yesterday. Then you get the point.
Out of my question, no, Bob.
Oh, okay, it's part of your question.
Continue.
So
Anybody that gets a point.
No,
Yeah.
I think you have to
Don't AI it. I can see you. Drop your phone.
We have to ask Team A first, since it's their question. So,
No, it's random. They missed it.
no, like, okay, since, like, they
No.
actually got it, but they don't get the actual word. But
Okay. All right. Drop your hand.
Can you guys tell me what I said, what an LLM was yesterday, and you get your points? Okay, who in your team A?
It's an LLM.
What's an LLM? Like, just explain to me in any way what an LLM is. No, like, what an LLM is. So, you guys are not giving it a try. Like, just what is an LLM? Like, yesterday, the first thing I did was, like, just in any way you can explain, in your own word, what you think. Okay, so since nobody got it out, no, like there's no point for this anymore now. This is no point for this. This is just me trying to.
Right, so please sit down.
Yeah,
Thank you. That was really energetic, and I know you people hate me right now. You can hate me more, but no, I'm not giving you 1 point.
All right, guys. For knowledge sake. So, like I said an LLM is a large language model. Like when you ask an AI stuff, now the reason it knows the stuff is because it's a large language model, and they've trained it on different data, multiple millions and millions of data. So if you ask an AI stuff, it predicts what you want. So it predicts what you want to hear. So it is. So that is why it hallucinates, because it doesn't know exactly what you want, but it's just predicting based on what it has. So that is why we ask it to always ask the AI to make a research and not just work on the data that it trained on and giving it context. So just for knowledge sake, so you guys know how an AI actually works. So, all right.
All right. We don't have much time. So team B has disappeared. Where's team B? Like they're annoyed. All right, are you ready? Team, are you ready for me? You're not complete though. Where's gold? All right, it's your luck. An AI agent is given a task. Book me a flight to Paris. What makes this question other than just answering a question? No. Nobody can speak. Just team B until they miss the question. Yeah. All right. Where's my mic? You have to. Because your points, the minute you miss it, is up for grabs. So they have to hear you.
Okay, so you just said book me a flight to Paris.
Yes.
Not like, you're going to check. Like, you didn't ask it to research first. So now, if you're saying book me a flight to Paris, it can book you the one that is the most costliest one or not the most cheapest one.
You are answering the question in the opposite manner.
Opposite
You're
manner.
answering it all. And what you're saying is, are you in the same team? No, then no. So rephrase your answer. Yes. Rephrase your answer. I'm giving you a chance now. An AI agent is given the task. Book me a flight to Paris. What makes this harder than just answering a question? No. There are people in this group now. I don't know why. That's his Peter, come to the front. Help him out. So, his team members have deserted him. You need to phrase it. You're getting it, but you need to phrase it properly. I said, what makes this harder than just answering a question? Yeah.
Because you say because you not give you instructions.
Eh?
Just say you not give you instructions on what to do.
I gave you a chance. I gave you a chance. I gave you a chance. No. Yeah. Okay.
Just before we go, it seemed like Jola and yourself wanted to say something. Do you want to say it now before we
No. We only say it after.
No marking scheme.
No marking scheme. I'm the marking scheme.
Hey, let Declan. No. Hold on. So just repeat the question to me.
An AI agent is given the task. Book me a flight to Paris. What makes that harder than just answering a question? You did this today. Today. People are not paying attention. No. You did this today. Today, like, anyways. It's booking a flight to Paris for you. What makes it hard than just answering the question?
No. Let them go and talk. That's why I told them, do you want to say anything before I answer? They said something. The reason that's a very good question. That's a very good question. Now the reason
You have 10 seconds.
Now the reason why is because, for example, as the example that you gave, you may not be logged in to the website to actually put your bank account details to be able to actually go and book.
That's correct. It requires multiple steps. That's what he said. That was what he said. That was explained. Sit down. So this is no. Like I said, you were talking on your own. So I need you to realize that there are two ends, and this goes back to what you learned from day one. Sorry, I want to quickly emphasize on why you missed your answer. I'm coming. This is why you missed. That's why I said you missed the answer. There are two different. You are one person, and then the AI is one person, and your level of communication determines your results. So you were answering the question, but your frame was very wrong because you were talking more on your own end, how you prompt, than the results that it's supposed to give. And I am emphasizing on the results that it's supposed to give. That why is it that it cannot just book that flight for you? Because number one, it needs to have access to your card. It needs to have your details. So those steps is what you missed. Yes. No, that's not it. Book me a flight to Paris. As I said, it requires multiple steps. He mentioned some of the steps. He said research. All right.
Okay, so like when we were discussing about AI agents, like I said, it needs what we call connectors. So like, you can categorize that connectors as steps, like OJ has said. So you cannot just go to ChatGPT now and tell it to book a flight for you. Try it, it will not work because it doesn't have the facilities for that. But when you've applied the connectors, then it will now come back to you and tell you, okay, what type of flights? Do you want a cheaper one? Do you want this? No. But so you need for an AI agent to be autonomous. It needs ability to connect to the world, and that's what connectors are. That's what MCPs are. So you guys should get familiar with. So there's a lot you can do with your AI, like as long as you have connected it to the real tools to use. It can do so much. You don't have to be the middleman because you can easily just ask the AI, I want to book a flight to Paris, and it just gives you, go and book this one. Then you are being the middleman. It's using you as a tool. But you can use the AI directly as a tool to get whatever you want, wherever you need. Yeah, end to end, without you being in the loop. You get me?
All right. Like I said, it's not about the framing. It's about the point that I made. And that's why I got the answers right. Mr. Peter. Sorry, yes, ma'am?
my question is, based on what we are talking about, that AI is a connector. Like, if I'm trading stock exchange in Nigeria and I have AI, which shares will I go into that are more profitable for me to invest in the next 1 year? Will you be able to do that?
So, personally, I've seen some of my colleagues, they've built AI tools that helps with trading, stock exchange, bonds, all of that. You just put your money in it, and then it finds the best trades for you, and then it alerts you like, okay, should I spend the money here, or should I do this? And you just need your approval. So there are end-to-end tools like that you can use. So maybe before the end of the session, I'll give you some of those tools you can use. But also, no financial advice. It could also lose your money. So it is. They have probably a 60%. It depends on the product. Some have 70%. But like you could use your money also because nobody can see the future exactly.
I like that disclaimer. So this is not a question and answer. This is not a question and answer. This is not a question and answer. So let's go to Team C's question. Team C, are you ready for your question? Please, you have to speed it up now. You have to be quick with your answer. 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer. 45 seconds to answer your question. And it's a thinking question. Don't worry, it's not going to be that easy. All right. So he said, why would an AI confidently give you a wrong answer instead of telling you I don't know? Why would an AI confidently give you a wrong answer instead of telling you I don't know? This was treated yesterday. So think about it. 45 seconds. Your time starts now. Why would an AI confidently give you a wrong answer instead of just telling you I don't know?
I can expand on his point after he's finished. I would say,
okay.
I would say because AI wants to give you an answer, so no matter what, even if it doesn't know, it will tell you the wrong thing.
That's what I'm looking for. Expatiate. You have 20 seconds to expatiate.
Thank you. I think it's because of the. Yes, now this is minus 2 seconds for my own time.
Oh yeah.
This is I think it's due to the way the model is from the LLM itself. I think it's frowned upon from the developers to give you an answer that is I don't know. So it would rather get information that it has from the LLM model itself.
Yeah, you got it. That's right. He's right. AI is programmed to generate responses for you, but not check facts. That's why even some of them will give you a disclaimer that it can be wrong. You always get a disclaimer that it can be wrong because it is meant to generate likely responses. So, Team D, are you ready for me? Are you ready? Team D, are you ready? All right. Team D, here goes your question. If you ask an AI, write me something good, why might your result disappoint you? Yes, why might your response disappoint you? If you ask AI, write me something good, why would the response disappoint you? Put your hands down with that question.
The reason is because you are not specific enough.
Yes. Simple answer. Very simple answer. That's it. Very simple answer. You see, I'm literally just taking things that your facilitator said, and I'm turning into questions for you. So if you don't know the answer, you're not paying attention in class. That's very simple. All right, Team E, are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? What's the 8 for? No, I'm not telling you. You know at the end of it. So this is your question. What is the key difference between an AI that chats and an AI agent? What is the key difference between An AI that chats and an AI agent. Explained today. It was explained this morning. Huh? What is the difference between an AI that chats and an AI agent?
Like Claude, ChatGPT, all of them, they are all agents. You can ask them.
10 seconds more.
Yep. AI that chats.
Yes.
AI agents.
Yes.
So we talk about AI agents. We're talking about Claude. We're talking about ChatGPT. We're talking about all of these ones, right?
Okay.
But then an AI that chats, it's one that actually learns from the prompt that you've actually given to it. It learns from the interactions you've had before that. And then it learns from what you've said and how you've said it.
Okay.
Sort of
This I just stop. You are confidently wrong. You are confidently wrong. Confidently. I'm giving A because I don't have a point. I'm giving A.
Team A.
Show me the money.
No. Oh yeah, I'm giving Team A because they've not had any points.
If they don't, you give it.
Yes, yes. Okay. No. Oh yeah.
Okay, so the AI that chats basically depend on the language to actually do the probability and give you the responses.
Okay.
The agent basically does actions. It takes the task and gets
Beautiful,
it done for you.
beautiful. Your first point. That is it. Beautiful. That is it. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Your AI agent can do more than just responding with words. It can perform actions. And it was explained this morning. It can perform actions. It can do things for you. If you ask, listen, sir, you know why you're wrong, Mr. Peter. The reason why you're wrong is if you ask ChatGPT, and just, without attaching codex like Jalal explained today, if you ask ChatGPT, okay, how do I build a business? No matter what it does, it will respond to you in words. Oh, you can do it like this, you can do it like that. Book me a flight, it will give you flight recommendations, but it cannot actually book you the flight. But an agent can do that for you. So an agent can perform actions, a chatbot with words cannot. So it's not about the types of AIs. So that's why you miss your question.
All right, so add to what OJ has said. So like I said, now you can now turn your AI chats into an agent by simply adding connectors. So you see, all of this still falls back to all what I've been explaining, even during the question and answer session. So what changes your AI from a chat box to an agent is simply the connectors it has to the world, because that is when it can actually do stuff. So where most people are stuck at currently is at the chat box. They do not know how to make their AI agent do something for them. They are still the middleman in between them and the task. But when you connect your agents to the task, it does it for you automatically. So you can be at the gym and just tell your Claude on your phone and tell it, oh, okay, now I want you to email my clients, send them an invoice for their latest product. It will do it directly. You don't have to go to your email and start typing all of that. It knows your business, it knows your brand colors, it knows everything. It does it for you instantly. So I hope you guys have learned from that.
That is very important. It's a very important question. It's one of the reasons why you are here. Because everybody already uses AI chatbots. I'm very sure everyone here has used ChatGPT, asked you one question or that, and then you've gotten responses. But what you are here to learn is how to convert that into actions, doing. Because if you're able to use something that has an agent, agents are able to perform actions for you. They can book flights for you. They can and build a product for you as we're explaining, but a chatbot cannot do that. So, Team E, wow. I actually thought you were going to get that. Anyway, so back to Team. I'm going to do this one more time and then we're wrapping up quickly. Are you ready for me, Team A? You are ready. I'm sure you are ready. Okay. If an AI, are you listening? If an AI, what's cheating? Please, no, I've told you. See, if you say an AI response, I will know. I will know. So team A, no, don't AI it. This is purely interactive, and I want you to be able to use your head to think. All right. So if an AI was trained only on data from 2022, what kind of question will it struggle to answer? If an AI was built, the model, the LLM was only, the information that was put inside it is only information from 2022. What questions would it struggle to answer? Very simple question. No? If an AI was trained only with data from 2022, what kinds of questions will it struggle to answer? Where's my mic? Let's give it to them. If an AI was trained only with data from 2022, what kind of question would it struggle to answer?
Like the
2022 backwards. Right.
So the AI will struggle to answer questions on current affairs from 2022
Why?
upward.
The why is the question.
It only knows, is in this box of events from 22 backward.
There is a word you are missing. It's not LLM.
The LLM is not trained on
I just said it to you. I'll just give it to you. It has no data from what you, that's what you just said. Come down. That's what you just said. You have 1 point. You have gotten it now. Calm down. I've gotten it.
Shut up.
I'm back here.
All right, guys. So, based on that question, so when using AI, you need to know some terminology. So that is how you can get, better and knowing exactly what outputs. So, when it says training data, it is simply the different multiple resources. When it says data, it's like anything you can pull off from the web. Anything can be a data, like let's say an article or anything. So this AI, they are trained on millions and billions of words like that. Like, okay, probably a recipe on how to cook jollof rice now. They can input it like, okay, this is the data for this and all of that. So it generates based on what it is trained on. So that is why you need to be specific and, whenever you are using the AI and knowing the terminologies that you're going to use for any of the AIs.
All right, thank you. Team B, are you ready for me? Where's Samuel? Oh. You build an AI agent to reply your emails. What is the one thing that can go wrong? You build an AI agent to answer your emails for you. What's that one thing that could go wrong? Simple questions round, dude. They are very, very simple questions. Just use your head. You build an AI agent to reply your emails. What is the one thing that could go wrong? Just mention one. Anything can go wrong. Mention one. Ten seconds. 9.
You can give the same
8.
response to the same emails, to different emails.
You can give the same response to different emails. Frame it very well.
So let's say now, like, there's somebody, like, on what we built here, somebody's asking about houses, and somebody's asking about, what kind of houses are available in this specific area. You can just respond to the email based on, like, this is the houses that is in this area, instead of being diverse. So
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Yeah. But one thing I was waiting for you to say that is very, very simple. You can send the wrong reply to a person because you're not the one responding. You might not even get the context of the email. So, like I said, it's not just about the vague responses. It's about that if you're not particular, there are so many things that could go wrong, and it could send the wrong email to to the wrong person or wrong reply to the wrong person.
All right, so buttress on that point now. So, because the AI make mistakes, so but there are also guardrails that people have put in place so that stuff like this do not happen. Because, like I said, now there are AI agent that replies to mail and does all of that. So those guardrails are what would make it not make that kind of mistake. So like, you've given it enough context, enough instructions. Like, okay, what if this happens? What if it doesn't happen? Like rules and all of that. So if you are building something like that, there are multiple guardrails now that would prevent that from happening in the recent updates. So you guys should not be scared about stuff like that, because as the day goes by, the AI are getting more and more brilliant. So it is not something that should stop wherever you are building. There are multiple guardrails that can help you prevent that.
Yes, and you can also make your agents permission based in a way that it has to wait for you to approve before it does something for you. All right, Team C, you ready for me? Yes or no? I'm actually dishing out points because these questions I have here are simple. Huh? All right. Okay. Why is more words in a prompt not always better when talking to an AI?
First of all, this actually ties into my original point that happened yesterday.
Yes.
I had 4 lines of code. I'm sorry, Peter, I have to do this. I had 4 lines of code.
You're trying to be petty now.
The question is now asking me, why is it better to have less lines than more lines? Okay, and I didn't get that point.
Okay.
So
answer the question
one more time, I forgot. Ask me the question one more time.
No. Answer the question. Answer the question.
It's because of hallucination and context window. Sometimes the context can be the context window can be large, but if you ask it too many questions or you bring it too many prompts or lines, sometimes it can actually fill up the context window, so it starts to hallucinate and kind of forget from the main core objective you're trying to do.
That's the right answer.
All right, so to buttress on that again, so it is why it's very good to have shorter prompts and being more specific. So there are 3 things tied to it. First, your credits. These credits do not come cheap. Then next is your context window. So there is one tip I usually give my students or anybody using AI. So if you are using one session for like a very, very long, probably you'll be using a session for like 2 months or 3 months, or asking it multiple questions in just one session. If you use Claude or maybe ChatGPT, you see that your credit finishes very, very easily, and it tells you you are past your limits and all. It's because for every time you ask a question in the chat, it will try to remember everything you have said in that chat. It will go over all of the things you have said, then I'll give you a response. So it's going through reading all of those memories and all. It calls tokens. So that's your context window. So it is always good to have multiple sessions for different things than using just one single session. That's what we call token management. So in months to come, these skills will be very, very needed because the tokens won't come cheap anymore. Because right now it's very, very discounted. That's why most people don't know how to use it. But when it gets very expensive, you need to have this knowledge on how to manage your context and reduce your token usage. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Alpha Stator. Team D, are you ready? Okay. An AI agent is like a new employee. What does it need before it can do a good job? Yes, what does it need before it can do a good job? An AI agent is like a new employee. What does it need before it can do a good job?
The job functions, the roles, responsibilities, what you want to do. Exactly.
Clear instructions. Yes, you're right.
I told you that team is going to be a cheat code. I said,
I see. As Team E. Peter, don't look at me with that bad eyes. Calm down. Huh? Calm down. Calm down.
We are busy building something here.
If you miss this one. Anyway, you are building an AI agent for a church. Name one task it could realistically undo and one task it should undo. undo. You are building an AI agent for a church. Name one task it can realistically undo and one task it should never undo. We talked about this yesterday. That's why I will know those that are actually paying attention and those are not.
So it can handle like the membership directory and keeping track of the members and that, but it can't handle like personal grievances, like issues, feedback with conflicts between like the church and the members.
Why? The why is the real answer. Why?
Because
Why?
you need the personal touch, you need the human touch too.
Why does it need it?
Why doesn't it need it?
There is a word I'm looking for. And okay.
You have to understand what we're saying.
You need to know your AI terminology well. Thank you.
AI gives generic robotic answers.
No, that's not the word.
Because human empathy
No.
is missing. Wait,
I will give them. I've been given. I will give them. The word is delegation. What to delegate and what not to delegate to an AI.
Yeah, but
Yes.
we've gone beyond
There is
that.
delegation.
We're giving you the example. We've gone beyond delegation now.
Is it wise to delegate finances of a church now to an AI agent?
So, okay. Come again with what's the question again?
I said one task.
Yeah?
All you need to is, like I said, your responses.
Okay.
This is what I can delegate to an AI. This is what I should not delegate.
Okay.
Also, that delegation right was, discernment. Sorry, discernment is what I was looking for. Sorry. Discernment. Sorry. Discernment. So yesterday, listen. Yesterday we talked about 4 steps. Delegation, description, discernment. So that is what that is trying to point out. That there are some things that you can actually delegate in your discerning to an AI to do for you, but there are some things you should never allow you to do for you.
Okay, let me add more. Yeah, no, you've won the point. So so yes, when delegating tasks to your AI, like I said, now you need to judge the responses and everything. So something as critical as the financials, you need to be very, very careful because a single comma or a single zero in the budgeting or everything can run the whole church down. So when it comes to financial, like you need to recheck it yourself, like have human aspects in it because, like I said, the agents sometimes make mistakes. And so there are some guardrails or where the agents, if he makes a mistake, it can cost a life. So like, do not delegate that kind of task to it. Like you need to see that yourself and all. But with that being said, there are AI accountants and there's still always human review. But do not, give it your full financials and don't let it ruin your life.
Thank you, sir. I've come to the end of our Q&A. So I'm not going to clap for me too. Wow. I actually gave out points the second time. I just gave you simple points. No more questions. So as of now, we have Team A with 2 points. Finally, they came outside. Team B with 3 points. Team C with 4 points. Yes. You had 2 before. Oh, you got 1. Okay, you got 2 questions and you got 1 extra. Oh, yes. So it's 5. 5. No, that's good. That's good. So 2 points, 3 points, 5 points, 4 points, and then our gladiators, 10 points. They got 2 questions right. And you had 2 before. You had 3 before. How did you have 3 before? Wait, let me check my leaderboard first. No.
Yes.
Everybody had 2 points at the beginning of this game. You got 2 questions right. Yes. Yeah. You got something right at the beginning. Oh, yes, for the form. God bless you. For the form, yes. You were the first to finish the form, yes. You're right. So you have 5 points. Yes, you have 5 points. Thank you for reminding. I didn't add that. Yes, I didn't add that. So they were the first to fill the form. It's good. So 10 points, Team E, 5 points, Team D, 5 points, Team C, 4 points, Team B, and then 2 points, Team A. So tomorrow, as I said, at first, we're going to be having Jalal. Please, guys, we're about to round up. Everyone, please come around. Hello, no side chit-chat. Hello. We're rounding up now. All right. So, Victor, you can go off now. Yes. So, like I said, tomorrow, I would have Jalal first to go through. If you still have any questions, if you have any doubts concerning your product, if you have any questions that you want to ask him, we'll have that for like 30 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to